In homeopathy, a number of medicines are selected on the basis of symptoms. Why a number? All the medicines are selected on the basis of symptoms. Pain is one symptom which leads to different medicines when somebody is running a temperature. There is severe aching deep in the bones. Please note the words. Severe aching deep in the bones. In influenza, malaria, bronchitis, it can be any fever. There is a bruised feeling in back, arms, wrists, calves. Morning fever is preceded by pain in bones and vomiting. Again, specific symptoms. Morning fever preceded by pain in bones and vomiting. The medicine in these circumstances would be Eupatorium perf 200, EUPATORIUM, PERF 200. An excellent medicine for pain deep in the bones under any circumstances. Another medicine which comes handy in cases of pain when there is congestion in head, as if it is being tightened by a steel band, mind you, as if a steel band is holding and crushing the head above the earlobes. There would be muscular soreness and weakness, pain all over, pain in the eyes with itching, chill creeping up the spine, sensation as if ice being rubbed up the back, not down the back, nose blocked or running. Cases of influenza, we need gel samium 200, a great remedy by any standards, never fails. Then there is influenza with pain in the thighs. Pain in the thighs can come with dysentery also. The same medicine will come in. The entire body is aching, tormenting, dry cough before and during the chill, and there is temporary relief on motion. The medicine for these symptoms is Rustox 200, RHUS TOX 200. I take up pneumonia, which is an acute inflammation of the alveoli, air sacs of the lungs. The symptoms are high fever, delirium, confusion, rapid breathing, dry persistent cough, pain in the chest, rusty blood in sputum. In infants, pneumonia eye fever is accompanied by rapid respiration in which the lower ribs are drawn inwards. If the condition is serious, get a doctor, but simultaneously you can use aconite nap 30 in acute sudden inflammation, terrible shortness of breath. Mucus is streaked with blood. There is high fever, dry, croupy cough, fear of death, anxiety. This is the first remedy for pneumonia in homeopathy. Repeat at 30 minutes interval in acute cases when the problem has arisen suddenly. As the patient stabilizes, shift to 200 potency 4 times a day. Then there is the great medicine for taking out noisy mucus lodged in the lungs. The patient is unable to take it out. Entim tart 200 or 1000, depending on the severity, mostly 1000. There will be other symptoms like pain in the chest in cases of bronchitis. But the clear indication is inability to take out noisy mucus, noisy, mind you. A noise you can hear across the room, beyond a curtain. Entim-Tat 200 or 1000 has never failed me. I have given it to hundreds of patients. In chronic pneumonia with abscess in the lungs, high fever, we need arsenic iode 30, ARSENIC iode 30. Last stage of pneumonia, when the face is blue, oxygenation is less, the patient is grasping for breath, sputum is foul smelling, threatened paralysis of the lungs, serious condition. Give Carbo-Veg 200, Carbo-Veg 200 with Entim-Tat in case the mucus does not yield. Then with pneumonia where there is expectoration of pure blood while coughing, pure blood, Ferrum Phos 30, FERRUM PHOS 30. In infantile pneumonia, we use Ipecac, IPECAC 200. When the pulse is weak or rapid or irregular, when a heart failure is apprehended and other symptoms of pneumonia are present, we prescribe Strophanthus 30, STROPHANTHUS 30. I now take up scarlet fever. It's an acute contagious disease caused by a hemolytic streptococcus occurring prominently among children. There is scarlet skin eruption with sudden high fever. The rash of tiny spots has the feel of sandpaper. Look at the symptom, sandpaper feeling. Fever is accompanied by headache, sore throat, body pain and fatigue. The patient vomits. The tongue has red patches with white coating. Give Epis 200 when there is swelling on parts of the body. There is a kidney problem. The patient is suffering from a damaged kidney. Swelling in throat with stinging pain and no thirst. In case of smooth, shiny, red eruptions, give Belladonna 200. The throat is hot, dry and red. There is nausea, retching, irritated stomach, temperature is high. Belladonna 200 is the primary remedy for scarlet fever. Very effective. If there is body pain and better temporarily on motion, the patient mutters in delirium, he is drowsy, there are vesicular eruptions, give Rustox 200. In addition to the chosen remedies, give 1 dose per day of Scarlatinum 200, SCRLATINUM. If you listen to symptoms carefully and apply your thought, you would always land up with the right remedy. I wish you the best. Thank you.